Hi there, welcome back to my channel. Now things are not same like before. Everything has been changed, not in a bad way, it's better than before. This year I completed my BSc nursing and now I am working in a hospital. You can't count it as my dream job, but I want to learn everything and for that it is sufficient. 7th January 2022 I started working in this hospital. You can say it's a new chapter in my life. In Bangalore, the biggest problem is language. There are a lot of people who don't even know how to talk in Hindi or English. And about Kannada, I don't have much idea. Nowadays, I am trying to learn Kannada. I hope last of this year at least I can talk little bit. Wish me luck. I completed 2 months here and there are a long way to go. So be with me. Okay, let's talk about today's topic. Actually, he is not my friend or a person whom I know. I got this message in my Insta. So he asked me, have you realized that it's time for you to move on or you realize that you should give up now? First of all, the thing from which you want to move on is the most crucial thing in your life. So when you try to move ahead or try to leave that thing middle of your life, I must say it will be the most painful and depressing moment which you never faced or you never want to face in your life. In my life, my theory is easy. For me, we never give up because we are tired or we can't, not even when we are lost, when we are hopeless. We may take a break or we just simply click a pause button so that we can take some rest and fight again for our love, but we never really quit. The moment you realize that the pain you are getting from that person or from that thing is bigger than the love, that's when we give up. That's the time when we should give up and move ahead because now there is no love remaining for you. After that also, if you try to write that story, it will not be a love story anymore. Day by day, it will become a story which no one wants to read or no one wants to see. When it's time for you to take a decision, ask your heart, you want a love story or a cruel story? I know it will not be easy for you. You have to fight with your own soul. A big war will start inside you. I overcome from it because my first priority is me every second time. Not my ma, not my papa, not anyone else, only me. If I am not happy with someone, I can leave that person. But if I am not happy with myself, I can't leave me. trust me, if your first priority is you, no one can confuse you. Your every decision will be clear and you will not even have to ask anyone before taking your decisions. Because now you are the king of this world. Because now your heart is more important for you than anything or anyone in this world. Now every path you choose because your heart agree with you. Sometimes it hurts to move on, but it will hurt you more to hang on to something not meant for you. Love yourself first because that's who you will be spending the rest of your life. That's all for today. I hope this video will help you, and if you have any question you can ask me on the comment section, or you can follow me on my Instagram link is in my description. Love you guys, see you again, bye.